I spent 4 days in Penang, with 2 nights at the charming Nam Keng Hotel. Let's take a look at the room. The room was absolutely charming, bright, airy, and impressively spacious. It's a modest space, simple in design, but that wasn't what drew me in. What I was really after was the experience, staying in a colonial-style hotel that felt remarkably close to a Peranakan home. Walking through the house feels like stepping back into the 19th century. The building itself is a destination, rich in character and history. After visiting the Penang Peranakan mansion, I appreciated Nam Keng even more. The resemblance between the two houses is uncanny. I was completely enchanted by the air wells, so much so that I took countless photos of them. With few windows throughout the house, the courtyard becomes a lush garden and a vital source of ventilation. You can even see the blue sky from within, without stepping outside. Some rooms are located on the ground floor, ideal for guests who prefer to avoid stairs. Each morning, breakfast is served in the serene courtyard, adding a touch of tranquility to the start of your day. With only a handful of rooms and guests, breakfast options were somewhat limited. We were served the same selection on both mornings, which could benefit from a bit more variety. The hotel is intimate, with fewer than a dozen rooms, if I had to guess. Every room door bears an auspicious name, symbolizing blessings like good luck, prosperity, and longevity. This is the kind of boutique hotel you'll want to stay at in Penang, deeply rooted in the history and culture of Georgetown, offering an experience that feels both authentic and memorable. Truly, this is the place to stay in Penang if you're seeking a boutique hotel that embodies the spirit and heritage of Georgetown. I truly enjoyed my 2-day stay here. If you're visiting Penang, consider this place over a conventional hotel. Nam Keng Hotel enjoys a prime location. It is situated in a densely populated town, just a 10-minute stroll from the iconic Colonial Tower. This video clip was taken from Colonial Tower. Even better, it's also within walking distance, about 10 minutes, to the vibrant food streets nearby, making it a perfect base for exploring Georgetown's culinary scene. And just to be clear, this isn't a sponsored video. I had paid about $90 per night for it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share the video.